The new AutoFilter plugin in Cubase 14 is so much more than just a filter. It allows you to animate your sounds in multiple creative ways. Let's check it out. The AutoFilter plugin is very easy to use, yet it gives you a lot of flexibility. To begin with, there are two modes for this filter. It has an auto mode and a manual mode. When you are in auto mode, the filter is going to be modulated depending on the level that comes through it. Let me give you an example. Here I have an electric guitar. Let's activate AutoFilter. So this is the low pass mode. Let's try the band pass. And the high pass. So as you can see, depending on the level, the filter modulates itself. Let's play a little bit with the resonance. The release. And the attack. Now we're going to get a wow effect. And as you can see, we have a mix control, which means we can blend the filtered signal with the dry signal, and a range control that allows us to fine-tune the range of the filter. The other thing that we have is a gate switch. This will mute any audio that goes below a certain threshold. And check out how it cleans up the ghost notes of this guitar part. But to be honest with you, AutoFilter was designed to be used with the new modulators in Cubase 14. So in this next example, I'm going to set my modulation to manual, and you will see that now, of course, I have total control over my frequency. But now we're going to add an LFO modulator to this, and let's see how it sounds. So what I have here is a vocal chop that I've run through a studio delay and a shimmer reverb. And on top of all that, I have the AutoFilter modulated by an LFO modulator. And of course, you can modulate the AutoFilter with any of the new 6 modulators in Cubase 14, like the envelope follower, the shaper, the macro knob, the stem modulator, and the mod scripter. These were just a few examples of what the new AutoFilter plugin can do. Have fun, and I'll see you on the next one.